One thing I can say is they kept me well informed throughout the whole process, and I enjoyed the camaraderie with the workers when they came out. I was here. They finished all the windows in one day, which was a great thing, and everything went very smooth. The installation and everything else went smooth, and we had a great experience with the install, and also the process before the install was great. And other than that, I said, these guys were expecting to be here 2 days. They got everything done in one day. That was a fantastic surprise. So one thing I like about the new windows is not feeling the heat of the Florida heat coming through the windows, that's for sure. And the light tint on the windows works great, keeping the house a little bit less light coming in. And really, I don't even really need shades or anything else right now. So I'm enjoying them very much. The installation crew was very professional. They showed up on time. They actually worked till late in the evening, almost till 8 o'clock at night, to finish the windows all in one day, so they didn't have to come back the second day, which was great.